Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start the chapter 5, that is the Adobe Photoshop CC. I hope you all have downloaded the Photoshop in your laptops. If you don't have the Photoshop, please try to download this software. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to do the practice. Then how we can use the different types of the tools in the Photoshop. First, what is the Photoshop? In short, I will tell you, Photoshop is a graphic editing program. This is a graphic editing program developed by the Adobe systems. Photoshop is mainly used by the different artists, web developers, photographers, as well as the person who use it as a hobby. What is the graphics editing program? By using these features, you can make editing in your photograph. You can blur your picture. You can clear your picture. If you want to crop some part of the pictures, then you can crop it. Crop that part. You can give the background to your picture. You can pick the different colors from one position, from one place, and you can put that color to the different place. You can change many editing things. You can make many edits in your software, in your picture, by using this software. By using the Photoshops, we can make the posters, magazine covers, brochures, etc. also, and this is very popular software. Now I will tell you what we can do with the help of the Photoshop. So we will discuss about the features of the Photoshop. The first feature of the Photoshop is that is it has a user-friendly interface. It is a user-friendly means it is very easy to use, and you can easily familiar with the features of this Photoshop, with the tools of this software. It's not a difficult for you to understand. With one time you can understand the software very easily. So it is known as the user friendly interface, and it is revised day to day. इसके features change होते रहते हैं. New advanced version जब भी Photoshop का आता है, you will have some new features in this Photoshop. Next is photo editing can be done more effectively with very little efforts. In this, you can make the photo editing with very less efforts. You need not to make more efforts to do the editing in your photo. It will be very easy for you. With the small editing, you can make changes in it. It has redesigns powerful tools. You can change the color of as I told you, you can change the color of an image. You can crop and resize the picture. You can remove the unwanted objects from the pictures using the vanishing paint tool. Drag and drop across an image to make fast selections with the new quick selections tools. So these are the special powerful tools of the Photoshop. Next, you can create graphics for the web applications. Whenever you are sending a file to another person on the internet, sometimes you have to compress this file. It is also a feature of the Photoshop. You can make animations in this using a Photoshop. It also has a layer effect. Layer effect means in your image you can make the different layers of an image. For example, if there is a face, that is the one layer. At the background is the second layer. If there is another things on your picture, that is the third layer. If you make changes in one layer, that will not affect the other layer. तो हम एक पिक्चर को different layers में divide कर सकते हैं by using the Photoshop, and it will be very easy to make the editing in a Photoshop. Next is 3D effects. That is the new and improved extent of an object by introducing new 3D effects. You can introduce a 3D effect in this. Next, that is the print window. Print with preview command के साथ you can see that how it will look when you print these pictures, and by seeing the view you can make changes into your picture. You can use the blend features, that is to save that is also very helpful. Blend means you can make the color blended. If you are if you are feeling that some color is looking odd, then you can blend that color with the background also. Yeah, any color you can blend that color. You can use the brush strokes and video timeline panels that affects you to add the that help you to add the effect to the video clips in the Photoshop. Suppose you are adding many clips in the Photoshops, and in between you can add many effects जो हमने PowerPoint में भी आपने देखा है. You can add many effects to your videos like this. In Photoshop you can also add a many effect. And the blur gallery, in the blur gallery you can apply and combine the different kinds of the blur and the create effect. Content aware patch, that is used to heal away undesired portion of an image. You can heal the undesired portion of an image. Suppose you can have a picture, suppose you have a picture and there are pimples, there are some pimples on the cheeks, and you want to remove that pimples. So you will use this tool, content aware patch, that is used to heal the undesired portion of an image. You can आप देखते होंगे कि जो भी आपकी पिक्चर्स आती हैं, अगर इफ़ेक्ट्स मोबाइल फ़ोन में भी आप क्लिक करते हो तो अलग अलग इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं. उसके अंदर आपके फेस की ओरिजिनल फेस तो आपका चला जाता है, बहुत इफ़ेक्ट्स उसके अंदर आके दैट लुक्स मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड दैट लुक्स मोर ग्लोइंग. सो वो अवेयर पैच टूल्स होते हैं, कुछ कंटेंट अवेयर मूव टूल्स होते हैं. That is used to select the pixels and then drag it to some other part of an image without using any layer or the mask. अगर आपको एक फेस पे, सपोज फेस जो होता है हमारा, फेस का कलर डिफरेंट होता है, कहीं पे डार्क और कहीं पे ज़्यादा डार्क, कहीं पे लाइट. तो अगर हमने सेम फेस दिखाना है तो हम अवेयर मूव पैच कर लेते हैं. जो कलर हमें ज़्यादा सूटेबल कर रहा है फेस के अकॉर्डिंगली, वहाँ से वो कलर उठाकर, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा डार्क कलर लग रहा है फेस का, वो कलर उठाकर उस डार्क कलर के ऊपर हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड दैट विल बी दैट मेक योर पिक्चर मोर अट्रैक्टिव. नेक्स्ट is your adapted wide angle filter that enables you to straighten curves and the lines in the photographs. अगर फेस की शेप को थोड़ा ठीक करना है तो आप इससे इस फिल्टर से कर सकते हैं, that to straighten curves and the lines in the photographs. And next is the new powerful vector tools. Designers can now design and the shape graphic elements more quickly and easy. So these are some tools which you can use in your Photoshops for editing a photographs. It will be it will be very helpful for you to use these type of the tools. Next is the starting Adobe Photoshop CC. In the Adobe Photoshop CC, how you can start, you will go on the start, then you will click on the all programs and you will see this type of icon, that is the Adobe Photoshop CC. After that you will see the components of the Photoshop like this. You will see this type of the window of your Photoshop. In this window of your Photoshop you will see at the right hand side, at the upper side, there is the panel. Then at the top of your window there is the menu bar. Next there is at the left hand side you can see that there is the tools panels, and white color area, that is the workspace in which you can add your pictures and you can do the different things here. And at the right hand side there is a panel, you can change the colors from by moving these panels like this. And at the lower end you can see here, that is the background. यहाँ पे आपकी layers बनेंगी. आप अगर जितना, suppose you have inserted 3 pictures and you can insert the 3 pictures as a layer. आप तीनों पिक्चर्स को मिलाकर अगर एक पिक्चर बनाना चाह रहे हैं, then you will use it as a layer. क्योंकि if you are changing in one layer, that will not affect the other layer. So it will be very easy and beneficial for us for editing in a picture. So this is the very helpful. Now we will discuss the components of the Photoshop. This is the window of the Photoshop. When you will open the Photoshop, it will just look like this. Firstly, there is the menu bar, that is at the top of the Photoshop window. In this it contains all the main menus of the Photoshop, like edit, image, layers, type, select, filter. By using these options, by using these menus, you can use the Photoshop more easily. And next is option bar control panel, that is under the menu bar. The option bar control panels that lies below the menu bar. It displays all the options related to currently selected tool in the tools panel. For example, if you have main option bar control panels, it will show all the options of the tools which you have selected from the tools panel. Like this, here is, you can see all the tools. Whenever you will select any tools and related to that tool, all the options will shown here at the top of at the option bar. So by using this by using any tool, you can use the options from this option bar. At the top of the bar, there is the title bar. At the top of this window, there is the title bar. Title bar, everybody knows, you have already read the title bar in the MS Word, Excel. What is the title bar? Name of the window you have opened. That is the name of your file which you have given, the name which you have given to your open file. Next is your document window. This is the area that displays the image files that you want to edit, like this workspace. What is this workspace? In this workspace is known as, that is the document window. In this area, you can display the image that you want to edit. Whenever you will open any image, it will show here. You can drag your image from any folders. Whenever you will drag the image, it will be opened here, and you can edit you can do many changes in your files. So this is the workspace in which you can do the editing options. You can do the editing in your picture. Next is your panels. Panels is here. What is the panels? That is on the right hand side of your Photoshop window. This is the separate area of the panel. In Photoshop, that offers the various panels, that it can be grouped, stacked and docked. You can see, you can change the panels, how you can set your panels. Whenever I am sending a reference video tomorrow. I will show you one reference video. I will send you the link of a reference video, and you can see that how you can do all the settings of the panel. There are the various options of these panels. You can monitor and modify the properties of an image. Panels, you can place the panel anywhere. Here the panel is placed, but you can move it from here to here, here to there. How you can move it, that you can see in your practical session. Now click on the top of the you can float them on the top of the, you can, अगर आपने इसको मूव करना है, आपको इसको टॉप पैनल पे क्लिक करना है, then you will drag it the panel by keeping your left mouse button press. And there the panels, there is the colors panel. What is the color panel? That displays the colors value of your current foreground and the background colors, like this. This is your color panels, and by moving this, you can change the foreground and the background colors of your image. And there is the swatch panel. अभी आप देखोगे, there is a swatch panel. It will show that stores the most frequently used colors. जो आप जो ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो, swatch panel will show all your colors. Adjustment panels, you can see, अगर आपने एक लेयर को अलग अलग कलर्स देना है, तो आप यहाँ से मूव करके, अपने यहाँ पे मूव एरो है, यहाँ पर यू कैन सी इट एरो, इसको मूव करके, ये तो सिंपल विंडो है, अभी मूव नहीं कर रहा, बट whenever you will open it lively, you can move it, and by adjusting this, you can apply many effects to the group of the layers. And history panels, you can access your document history in the history panels. It will show the layers panel. In the layers panel, it will display all the layers in an image, that I told you how you can divide your image into the different types of the layers. That panel will show you all the layers. Like this was the just panels, that is right side of the control panel, swatch panel, adjustment panel, like this. And that is the tools panel. This is known as the tools panel, that is at the left hand side of the window. In this left hand side of the window, it will show many tools which you can use to draw, paint and manipulate your images. These all the tools panel, like this. Now you can see this tool is known as the rectangle marquee tool. That is rectangle marquee tool. You can see here. Like this, there are the many tools that I will show you in your practical session. This is the so T tools for using the text in your image. History tools, you can use the history. There are the many tools: history tools, eyedropper tool, brush tool, pencil tool, history tools, ग्रेडियंट टूल्स. वेन एवर यू विल ओपन दीज टूल्स, देयर इज अ साइड, एक एरो है. जैसे ही हम इस एरो पे, हर टूल के साइड पे आप देखेंगे एट द बॉटम देयर इज एन एरो. व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस एरो, इट विल शो मोर टूल्स यू, एंड यू वेन एवर यू विल सेलेक्ट एनी टूल, all the option related to that tools will be shown in this option bar. So tomorrow we will do the practical session of this chapter. I will send a video and you can see that video how we can start the Photoshop. Then you will be very much familiar with this topic. It will be very easy for you that how you can edit an image in the Photoshop. It's not a difficult software. You can use it very easily, and it is a very user friendly software, and the revised user friendly, so that many options that comes in the Photoshop's version day to day, and you can use it more friendly, and it will be very easy for you. Tomorrow we will read about the various tools of the Photoshops and the various panels, how we can use the panels and the various tools of this Photoshops. Till then, अभी तक जो मैंने आपको बताया है, please read out these 2 pages, that what are the Photoshop, what are the components of the Photoshop, what are the features of the Photoshop, and just see the window of this Photoshop, that which type of panels it is showing, like color panel, swatch panels, tools panel, option bar, menu bar. Whenever you will familiar with this, then it will be very easy for you to move further. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.